Welcome everyone. Introducing AFM Power Batch for May 25 and November 25 students. This is a 360-degree batch covering from a beginner level to a professional level, which will help you to get 80 plus in your exams if you practice well with this batch. There is a very famous saying by Bruce Lee, I fear not the man who have practiced 10,000 kicks once. I fear a man who have practiced one kick 10,000 times. How we can use this power of practicing multiple times in our study? For that, we have limited the question in your question bank. The questions cover each and every question of ICI, be it SM, RTP, MTP, past papers, in just 500 questions. So you can practice this limited questions multiple times and have confidence on the subject. If you take all the questions, that would be more than 1500 questions, but we have removed all the duplicate questions and we have categorized each and every question with the concept it relates to. And this material is restricted and relevant to ICI material only. We don't cover any extra questions from CMA material or any other professional materials because we believe that you should not be burdened with extra questions so that you are distracted and take more time for revising. We restrict to ICI because even though if ICI asks any questions beyond this material, you can solve that with the conceptual clarity, and it is not sure that this question will be from the extra questions you cover. So we want that you put your efforts in a right direction and you gain the confidence on subject. From past 6 attempts, this question bank has record of more than 90% of questions from this question bank. So this is very, very relevant and sufficient material to practice and score great marks. So in this batch, we will cover every question of question bank and cover 100% concepts. No concept will be left, and all this will be done in 75 hours, which are very effective hours, so that you can practice more time and you can practice multiple times. So the students who want to ensure you cover each and every aspect but quickly so that you can practice well, then this batch is for you. As we know, time is precious for you. You have to manage the other subjects. If you are appearing for one group or both groups, you have to manage multiple subjects and you have to manage the revisions also for each and every subject. And some students may be working also, so they have to manage the work also. So we want that you quickly cover each and every aspect and put more time on self practice with which you can score great marks. We will cover each and every concept from the basics. So it is not that you require some base to understand in this batch. We will cover from basics and we will understand it with interactive examples so that you can relate with the concepts and you can retain that concepts very well. And for that, we are putting all our innovations to make the study simple for you, to simplify learning, and for that, concept book is made with illustrative examples in an interactive way so that you can learn quickly and retain the concepts also. So this is how we cover the concepts, and after understanding the concept, we understand the logic of formulas also. So we don't believe in memorizing the formula. We learn the logics so that you can know how to derive that formulas. And we will cover each and every question so that you are ready for your exams. And with that, we will also cover the MCQs part. This is how we have covered in questions in the question bank. With that, you will also have the ABC analysis of questions. You will have formula book covering each and every formula chapter wise. This is a detailed formula book which covers every formula. So you can revise quickly formula for the exam time, or you want to practice the chapter. Before that, you can revise quickly formula from the formulas book. And for theory, to score great marks in theory, we have prepared the keyword sheet, which are the main keywords of the answers which you have to mention in your paper if the questions are asked for theory. If you mention this, then you will score great marks in theory also. The examiner looks for these words in your answer. So once he got these words, you will score great in theory also. Theory part is also scoreable in AFM, and we believe that to score more, you should not skip theory. So theory will also be your strength. With this keyword sheet, you can revise multiple time keywords and you can practice the keywords in the keyword practice sheet. So practice sheet will also be there. All this material, concept book, keyword book, question bank, formula book, all this will be given in hard copy. Only the MCQ book would be given in PDF format, and that too will be a printable format. And with that, you will have a special book, which is a concept map book, which is a bird eye view of every chapter with the question mapping. This will help you for a SWOT analysis of your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. You will know which topics you are weak at, which topics are your strength, so that you can revise quickly your strength topics and put more time on your weak topics. And you can see that which chapter is more scoreable. You can put right efforts in right direction. So this will help you for that. So this is a sample page for a concept map. This is a forex chapter. So these are all the topics covered in this chapter, and you will have the question referencing also for each and every topic. Say for example, if you have to cover the question for cross rate in forex, you will have which questions you have to cover. If you cover that question, your cross rate topic will be over. So with that, you can analyze that this topic is your weak topic. You have to practice it more. And this topic is your strength topic. So you can give less time to that. So this will help you to manage your revisions easily. And at any point you face any query, you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt at WhatsApp doubt support number. So that would be a very, very simple way to solve your doubts, and I will resolve your doubts in 24 hours. So you don't have to worry for any doubts also. With this batch, you will also have option to avail for test series. Believe me, test series are game changer. I have witnessed this from my journey, from the journey of many students who have cleared, scored great marks. We see that test series bring at least 10 to 15% of difference, because this is seen that many times we know the concepts, but we make a little mistakes. So which type of mistakes you are committing, you can know with the test, and you can improve that and not repeat that in exams. So this would help you to improve your speed and remove the silly mistakes and score great in exams. I will provide you the detailed suggestion that what is wrong, at what step you are making mistakes, and how to improve that. That suggestion will also be given to you. In one full test series, you will also be given that which chapter you have to improve and how you have to improve on that, which area you have to improve. So you will have detailed analysis chapter wise for the full test also. And you have 16 tests in the test series, 15 chapter wise plus one full test series. Talking about the other class details, you will have 2.5x views with 9 months validity, and you would be given 2 device access, 1 laptop and 1 mobile. This batch is available in simple English only language also, and in Hindi plus English language also. And the demo lectures of this batch are available on YouTube channel. You can search for CA Hema Chawla AFM classes. You would get the demo. You can refer the demo and enroll for this batch. This batch is available on Android, Windows, and iOS platform. So join this batch and let us work together for target of 80 plus. You can enroll this batch from our website www.progenius.in. And if you have any other query, you can freely ask on call or WhatsApp. The number for support is given on website. So best wishes to all of you. Have a nice day.